Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So nowadays anyone can face that kind of issue which is showing that the SSL certificate is not trusted. So let's start with the reason and the solution. So there are three types of reason where we have can judge and solve this issue via three ways. The first way is that if your SSL certificate was not issued by a recognized certificate authority. So in this case, you have to connect your SSL provider and give the perfect SSL certificate. The second case is that when SSL certificate installation was not completely configured. So we have discussed it over the video. The third case is your SSL certificate has expired. So if your SSL certificate has expired, so you need to connect your SSL provider and request for renew it. After the renewed, you need to configure your SSL certificate over the servers and your web server. So that problem will be resolved to use this exercise. So let's get started with our second problem, what is showing that if your SSL certificate is not completely configured, so most of the person have configured their SSL certificate with the help of .crt file and .pfx file. So if you have configured .pfx file and after that it will showing you the same error, the TLS certificate is not trusted. So in this case, you need to one change and after the one change, you will show the result. So let's get start the demo. So in this case, when you have purchased one of the SSL certificate, they are including four file, which is showing that AAA certificate service, and second is CA file, and third is your domain name, and fourth is user trusted. So in this case, you need to copy it all the file in the one frame using the notepad. So let's get start. I can open it on the notepad and copy it all the parameters and copy it in the new notepad. The same process will follow other files. When you have complete it and you can save a .crt file. .crt. So that file will resolve your problem with the help of .crt, and after the CRT file you will be create your PFX extension, and after the PFX extension you will be configured your SSL certificate that would be perfectly configured, and that is known as a root certificate, including the root certificate. After configured it over the server, that problem has been resolved. Thank you for watching.